This is Lake Isabella. Lots of clouds tonight, or today, tonight. What am I thinking? I think we're going to have a little treat for you here in a second. The lake's very low. This area where I'm standing, this aqueduct, is usually underwater by about 20 feet, I guess. And there's over here in this area over here to my right there, that green meadow, that's where the dock usually is. They've had to move it to the other side of the lake. Been a few fires lately, and I think if we look up to our right here, we're going to see a helicopter coming in for a scoop. It's diving in right now. Oops, a little shaky there. It's amazing how fast they do this. Lining up. He doesn't drop any on me. Very nice, very nice. There goes our heroes back to fight the fire. Actually, the fire is not too far from where we're standing right now, but pan over there. It's right below that peak right there. I don't see any smoke, but he's been going there for about 2 hours, so we can assume that he's not practicing. I'm sure they have plenty of practice up here. There he is up on the ridge, headed over there. Panning back over here, get another view of the very low Lake Isabella, and there's the aqueduct. They have these ropes. I'm going to pan over here because sometimes people fall into this thing, and then they have these ropes where they can help them to get out. Otherwise, it's too slippery, and a lot of people have drowned in this thing. So that's nice. They have those now.